Ace is a 6-month-old golden retriever puppy that is in for a 21-day puppy board and train program. So his family reached out to us. They were looking for help with leash pulling, listening to obedience commands, recall, jumping, and just overall puppy behavior. So they live on a large property with multiple dogs, and when they all get running outside, he doesn't listen, he doesn't come back. In the house, it's just kind of boisterous play all the time, and then when they were leash walking him, he was just pulling and pulling and pulling all the time, so it wasn't very fun. So he's come in and he's learnt his solid commands, he's learnt solid recall, impulse control exercises, so place, learning to wait at thresholds, so getting in and out of the car, waiting to come in and out of the door, out of his kennel, and he's heading home soon, and we're excited for his family to continue his training. He's a lovely, lovely puppy. He's lower energy, which makes things a little bit easier, but he's done fantastic, and we're excited for him to go home. Good boy. Heel. Heel. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Down. Heel. Good boy. Heel. Good boy. Good job. Down. Heel. Good. Good boy, let's go. Good. Good boy. Heel. 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 Good boy. Heel. Good boy. Ace here. Good boy. Here, down. Good boy. Ace here. Good boy. Yeah, go. Down. Good job. Good boy. Ace here. Place. Good. Ace here. Good boy, let's go. Place. Good boy. Ace here. Good boy, let's go. Right here. Good. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Here. Place. Good. Ace here. Good boy. Place. Good. Break. Let's go. Break. Good boy. Let's go. Good job. My buddy, let's go. Let's go. Good boy. Let's go. Let's go. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, let's go. Good job. Good boy. Good boy, let's go. Good boy. Ace, let's go. Yeah, good boy. Here. Good. Down. Good job. Good boy. Ace here. Right here. What? Here. Down. Good boy. Okay. Break. Let's go. Let's go. Good boy. Here. Place. Good. Break. Good boy. Good job. Break. Yeah, good boy. Let's go. Good job. Good boy. Ace here. Good. Good boy. Break. Down. Break. Good boy. Okay, down. Good. Ace here. Good, right here. Good, down. Good boy. Good job. All right.
He's a good boy.
Good boy, Ace.
Sunnidale Boarding Kennels in Angus has been making pets feel at home for over 20 years. Now offering Good Dog Board and Train program for the love of dogs. Treat your pet to a Sunnidale day. Search Sunnidale Boarding Kennels to reserve your suite online.